It's a magical Christmas morning in the little village. Snow covers the rooftops and colorful lights shine bright. Anya and Tom are playing in the snow, laughing and having fun. Excited, they walk along a snowy path leading to a magical forest. Twinkling lights glow on the trees and soft snowflakes float in the air. Suddenly, a tiny Christmas elf appears. She smiles warmly and shows them a glowing star and colorful gifts. "Hello, kids. Want to spread Christmas magic?" she asked. Anya, Tom, and the elf start decorating the village houses with lights. They secretly deliver gifts to families, and everyone smiles with joy. Christmas spirit fills the air. After helping, the kids and the elf have a fun snowball fight. Laughter echoes through the village as snow flies everywhere. What a happy, magical day! Suddenly, Santa Claus appears in his sleigh, flying above the snowy village. He waves at Anya and Tom, thanking them for spreading kindness and Christmas joy. Together with Santa and the elf, the kids distribute gifts to all the villagers. Everyone is filled with happiness, and the village sparkles with lights and cheer. Finally, everyone gathers around the large Christmas